Tired of that wired neckband around your collar and wish to go truly wireless? Now is the right time to do so. Presenting to you the latest boAt Airdopes 413ANC, which will set you completely free. Oh well, that rhymed. We bring to you an absolutely neutral review of the latest by boAt. Before we start, we humbly remind you that we have reviewed over 50 of the latest Bluetooth earphones on our channel. Take time out to watch those reviews before you spend your hard-earned money. Links can be found in the description and in I button. Let's review this one now. ANC of up to 25 dB. Priced at under 2000 rupees, this one cuts you off completely from all the surrounding noises. It allows you to stay lost in your own world for hours altogether. Environmental noise cancellation. With mic on each earbud, it allows for crystal clear transmission of voice back and forth. Now focus on the conversations rather than on that unwanted background clutter. 10mm sound drivers that deliver. Allow your senses to be mesmerized and titillated by the best-in-class sound drivers that deliver immersive sound for you each time, every time. To grab the boAt Airdopes 413ANC at a super discounted price, snatch the deal from the link in the description. Battery backup and ASAP charge. Watch up to 10 movies or 20 hours of your favorite Netflix series without batting an eyelid. It keeps you mentally submerged until you are done. With ASAP charge, get an hour's playtime with only 10 minutes of charge. Fantastic, right? Comment and let us know. IPX4 rating. The water-resistant rating will allow you to go on a walk or a jog this monsoon and stay lost in your favorite tunes without a single worry in the world. We shall now rate it on 4 parameters versus the price point it is selling at. The bass. It isn't too bassy, so we shall give it a 7 on 10 on this parameter. The treble. Sound clarity is reasonably good and you are able to distinguish between frequencies quite easily, hence an 8 on 10 as far as treble goes. The loudness. On overall loudness, it clearly deserves a 7.5 on 10 versus the price point it is selling at. ANC. In this department, it surely deserves an 8.5 on 10 primarily because of the 3 ANC modes it offers. Regular mode, ambient sound, and the super amazing ANC mode that completely cuts you off from the rest of the world. Who can actually skip this purchase? Well, if you've lately bought an earbuds that match up to the standards of this one. Or if you're looking out for earbuds that offer more playtime than this one, such as the MIUI Duopods A350 or the boAt Airbase Z20. We have reviewed both on our channel. Or if you wish to spend close to $1,000 and not 2,000. To read the review in extensive detail with all the pros and cons, visit our website tinyreview.in. So that's about it. If you loved what you watched, then like and share the video. We release weekly content, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want us to review a product of your choice, then let us know through a comment. We shall review it in a jiffy for you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.